My favorite, back the couple.
How far? 6 foot? Okay, hold on. You want that?
Back the up.
Sir. No, we don't need.
Feet up. Keep your feet up.
Hey, so get my shoes dirty.
Take that fanny pack off.
141, are you on the service call?
A full refund, already processed, and he still wouldn't leave. He got exactly what he asked for, then turned that moment into a trespass arrest. He demanded his boarding pass. Agent handed it. He tossed it back, then wanted it, then didn't. The agent put it in the trash. By the time officers arrived, the only question left was how long before this becomes a crime.
You're gonna behave, okay?
Behave.
Yeah, you're gonna
How is behave?
You're gonna listen to me, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna behave because we already got one call for you.
Okay. Who?
Us.
Okay, walk me out. Let me get the fuck out of here. Awesome. I'll follow you. Papa, you got one follower. One real follower.
Excuse me?
I know you got no follower.
What did you say?
I ain't talking to you.
Alright, do me a favor, back the couple.
How far? 6 foot? Okay, hold on. You want that?
Back the up.
Sir.
No, we don't need witness.
Go ahead and walk out.
Why?
Walk out right now.
Which way?
Control 121, send me another unit.
Which way?
That way.
Can I have my
Nope, let's go. Are you going to jail? Let's go.
Let's go.
Go.
Let's go. I don't know where's the way
Alright, you're
out.
being trespassed from the airport.
Okay.
You need to leave right now.
Okay, where's the way
Let's
out?
go.
Where's the way out?
Tell you to leave right there.
I don't
That's
know
the way
where-
out right
Sir,
there.
I don't know where's the way
Back,
out.
leave now or you're going to jail.
Sir, I don't know where's the way out. I'm following you. Hold on. Take it down.
Yeah, I got it.
Mariana, estoy en la cárcel. Oh God, be fine, but listen, I'm walking out well, though.
Way too many chances. You understand?
Can we maybe get another unit over there?
How much is pressing? I'm following. I don't know which way to go.
No, I told you where to go. I told you to follow me.
I'm following you, but you did not walk away from me.
1251.
Mariana, me están laqueando. So, chequea porque ven para acá porque me están arrestando. Cabrón, me están arrestando, brother.
Yo sé, pero ¿por qué los fronteas?
Yo no estoy fronteando, cabrona. My phone is right there. I just bought the phone, sir.
It's okay. I have a car this way. You have a car over here? Someone's.
All right, let's go.
You have a car here?
Which way we going?
Okay, over here. I got a car.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
160 something.
Let's go.
I'm glad you're okay, but go.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. It doesn't suck. Okay.
You gotta walk faster.
No.
If you want.
What's that?
You don't understand English?
I do, yeah.
Walk in English.
Huh? I don't know what you're saying.
Me neither. Amazing. Tampa. Tampa ain't.
Yeah. Hey, we're gonna borrow your place here. Feet up. Keep your feet up.
Hey, so get my shoes dirty.
Take that fanny pack off.
141, are you on the service call?
Awesome. Last time I did that. Yeah, I told the Tampa.
They're on zone 3 now, but
So much flyer, I got arrested. That's crazy. You guys are broke now. You own your house or you buying your house?
What's that? God, you're talking to the wrong guy. I don't really care what you say, what you want.
Why
You're not
did you-
impressing me, okay?
You was almost.
I've been doing this too long. You're not impressing me.
Me too.
Face
How
here.
long are you?
Don't really care.
There you
Like
go.
this? Perfect.
Also, how long
just
you
shut
been
your
doing
mouth.
this? Are you buying a house?
That's how it's playing?
Are you paying for
Okay, what
mortgage?
criminal car?
Are you paying for
Control
mortgage?
121, copy Florida driver's license. Got 11015.
Number, that's 1015, go ahead with the Florida deal.
Amazing.
Te aprietan.
Number.
Bien.
Yeah, you're not that one. Fake Latino right here.
Como digo.
Tiene que ser boricua, tiene que ser. Cho cabrón. No hay coca ni manteca ahí, papi. ¿Quieres manteca? Tengo allá mi papito.
¿Por qué tú hablas así?
¿Por qué no? ¿Tienes prueba de lo que yo hago?
Alex, this yours?
The black one is.
Once the airline asks you to leave and an officer confirms it, your presence stops being a dispute and starts being a trespass. The subject received that notification on camera. One option left. Walk out. Under Florida Statute 784.03. Tossing an object that contacts another person against their will is simple battery. Impulsive contact is still contact. The statement the employee gave on camera is what makes a charge possible.
Let's go. On the weekend. You
Number
know it, I know it.
We're gonna buckle you in for your safety. I want to make sure you're okay.
I'm already here.
Make sure you're okay.
Let's go, man. All right.
What's that? I'll dump it in there. I don't know. Alex, how did it all start? Just was listening?
Yeah, so he was giving. Hold on, let me close the door here.
I was around the corner and they already had them pretty.
He was giving Spirit a hard time. When I come up, he's already on the phone arguing. Spirit says we give him a refund. We just want him out of here. So I was like, all right, let's go, buddy. He's like, I'm not going until I get my boarding pass. I said, but they gave you a refund. He's like, I want my boarding pass. So I said, okay. Give him his boarding pass. He gives him the boarding pass. I'm like, here you go, sir. He's like, I don't want that. I'm like, okay, do you want it or do you not want it? He's like, I want it. I said, so here you go.
That's why I just
So he takes it.
I was about 2 seconds behind you.
Starts mouthing off.
Yeah, no chance.
Oh, blah, blah, blah. So he said something like,
Trying to get the double
I was
handcuffs
like,
on them.
you need to
These
stop.
guys have them like touched up.
Get out of here, or you're gonna get arrested. Oh, what? He started mouthing off again. Then he does one of these. So I shoved him. I said, stand back.
All right.
Don't come close to me. And he does it again. So I pulled out my taser. I said, you're gonna get the fuck out of here right now.
Oh, did you pull a taser?
I'll pull a taser.
So
Yes.
you told me you're gonna do an R2R. I didn't.
No. I definitely have to do an R2R.
Yeah.
I said, you're right now. You're being trespassed. You gotta leave the airport. Oh, I'm not going nowhere. So, do you hereby voluntarily make the following statement without threat, coercion, or benefit or favor by any person whatsoever?
Yeah.
Okay. So, tell me what happened.
So he came up to get rebooked, and then he was just very loud and just high energy already, and he wouldn't really let me get a word in, and just how they all are, just being dicks, and just like wouldn't let me talk, so I kind of just got frustrated, and I told him, do you want a rebook or you want a refund? I never really went anywhere, and he just got angry, started like talking crap to his person in Spanish that was on the phone. Like, I knew that, so I was sick of it, so I just refunded him and told him to please get out of my line. And then he just wasn't, he was being loud, wasn't wanting to move away.
Even after you told him to get out, he didn't want to move. Okay.
Yeah, he said, I'm gonna stand right here. I'm gonna stand right here until you want to help me.
Yeah.
And then
I think I was walking up towards because I heard him say that, so I remember that, and then that's when we came.
yeah.
Do you think he was maybe intoxicated or anything like that? Maybe.
Honestly, he might have, but he probably just seemed like that type of person. He kept saying like, I know, you could say it, I'm crazy, I've gone it before.
Yeah.
And like that. Okay. So I don't know.
Okay. And then you guys called. Who called? Do you know?
I don't think I didn't call.
I
was
find
the
you
other,
didn't call.
but someone called. I think it might have been Sonya or something.
But you did refund him, correct? He got all his money back.
Yeah,
and
I
other
didn't
than
want to
that,
do it anymore, so I'm just refunding it. I don't care.
there was no other business after the refund, right? You just
I
ready
threw
to-
his thing in the trash can because he kept throwing it at me. So
Okay.
I threw it in the trash can.
Oh.
And that's when he was like, I want my ticket. And then we were like,
The paper? What was it?
Yeah,
A
it
receipt
was-
or whatever?
No, it was
The
just
boarding
like
pass?
his boarding pass from the flight.
Did he throw it at you, or he just threw it like?
I gave it to him, and then he just kind of like tossed it, and then it flew at me.
Okay. Did it hit
With the
you?
wind.
Okay. Yeah, that's all I need. Obviously he was arrested, so.
Sick.
It's a lengthy report. I appreciate
so
it.
sorry.
No, don't be sorry. Listen, we can't. You're in a public place. This is the airport. You gotta act accordingly. So you're good. All right. I won't keep you anymore.
Okay.
Enjoy that overtime.
Officer A, B+. Verbal control only. No unnecessary escalation. Spirit employee A-. Early refund. Clean statement. Deducted for the boarding pass back and forth. Subject C. No physical attack, but a 2-minute refund became a permanent airport ban. The moment a refund is on the table, the argument is over. Every second after that is time spent on a criminal record. He left with less than he arrived with. Not because of the refund, because of everything that came after it.